Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Pixel 8a supports dual SIM, one eSIM plus one physical SIM. Scan the carrier eSIM QR code or enter the activation code now. This saves time later. Insert the Nano SIM into the tray, then reboot if you haven't already. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet. This gets you into the configuration area quickly. Make sure to keep your Wi-Fi on during eSIM. Now you add and configure both lines. In Network and Internet, choose SIMs and tap Add Mobile Plan to install the eSIM profile. Follow carrier prompts and accept permissions. Once both lines appear, label them so you know which is which. Labels appear during calls and messages. Next, set which SIM is default for cellular data, and choose Ask Every Time or a default for calls. This gives you control over costs and ensures apps use the correct line. Finish by testing. Call from each line, send SMS, and browse with each SIM to confirm data routing. Use quick settings to switch the active SIM for data or choose per call in the dialer. This flexibility is why dual SIM exists. If something goes wrong, restart the Pixel, rescan the eSIM QR code, and make sure airplane mode is off. If activation still fails, contact the carrier with your device IMEI and eSIM code so they can provision the line server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.